Hello everyone, how to tours back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to extract audio or how to separate audio from your video clips. So this is really gonna easy and short tutorial for you. Just watch the video till the end, then you will learn how to do this. So you can see I just imported a clip on the import space, so I need to add it to track. So after that you can see click on your clip, then just click on the right mouse corner, so simply click here and you'll see here extract audio. Okay, it means once you click on that, then it's separated. So this is the audio part and this is the footage part. So if you wanna delete this or if you wanna customize it, then you can easily do this. If you wanna delete this, then you can say delete file, or you can backspace. So it's really easy, friend. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel and thank you for watching.